Look, my friends, Thomas is carrying something unusual. Oh, and here's Diesel. I wonder what he has in mind this time. He has changed the railroad switch at the crossroads. Thomas, be careful! Oh, the cargo has gone to pieces all over the playground. What a presser this Diesel is! Shame on you, Diesel! Now Thomas needs to collect all pieces of the cargo together, and this is not going to be easy for him. Oh, look! Thomas has found something. This is letter Y. Excellent! Now Thomas needs to collect all the other letters. And it seems like Thomas is not gonna make it himself, and he will need some help from his friends. Percy, Rosie, and James have rushed to the search of the letters. Percy was very carefully looking around, and eventually he has found something interesting. Wow! This is letter N. Good job, Percy! And now let's check how Rosie is doing over here. Rosie was also not wasting her time and found one more letter. This is letter F. Perfect! Well done, Rosie! And here's James. It took him quite a while to find something, and he has almost lost the hope. But look, up there, there's a letter at the rotating scoop. This is letter L. Good job, James! The engine friends came up to Thomas and started offloading their findings. Thomas has thanked all of his friends, but just then he has realized that there are only 4 letters. It means one letter is missing. And here flies Harold to help our friends. He can see much better from the sky. And almost right away, Harold has spotted the last letter that was lying on the elevated lift on the side of Owen. This is letter N. One more to our collection. Awesome! Now it's time to make up a word. F, L, Y, N, Flynn. And here he is himself, Fiery Flynn the fire engine. That's fantastic! Today we've had a lot of fun and have learned a lot of new stuff. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes and share this wonderful video with your friends. And if you press on the bell, you will never miss any of our new videos. We'll see you later!